Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me HP OfficeJet Pro, and now I'm going to show you how to set up sleep mode on this device. First, let's open the control panel and click on Settings button. Afterwards, scroll down and here find Power Management. Here you can find sleep mode and choose after 5 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes. Sleep mode is the mode when you can wake up your device remotely. So if you will send job for the printer, your printer will be automatically waked up. It will take about 10 seconds, 12 seconds, and your printer will start printing automatically. You don't need to press anything on your device. So that's it. Thanks for watching and bye. See you.